killer.
Ethiopian government is a killer.
No justice in Ethiopia.
No justice in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in
We
Ethiopia.
demand justice in Ethiopia.
We demand justice in
We
Ethiopia.
demand peace in Ethiopia.
We demand peace in Ethiopia.
Ethiopia Prime Minister is the killer.
Ethiopian government is a killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is the killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister must go.
Ethiopian Prime Minister must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Ethiopian Prime Minister must go.
Ethiopian Prime Minister must go.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is the killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a
We
killer.
demand justice.
We demand
We
justice.
demand peace.
We demand peace.
Justice for Hachalu.
Justice for Hachalu.
Justice for General Sahara.
Justice for General Sara.
Justice for General Sara.
Justice for General Sara.
Justice for Dr. Ambacho.
Justice for Dr. Ambacho.
Justice for Dr. Ambacho.
Justice for Dr. Ambacho.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No justice in Ethiopia.
No justice in Ethiopia.
Ethiopian government is a killer.
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 We demand justice.
We demand justice.
We demand peace in Ethiopia.
We demand peace in Ethiopia.
We demand justice in Ethiopia.
We demand justice in Ethiopia.
Free Jawar Muhammad.
Free Jawar Muhammad.
Free all Oromo political prisoners.
Free all Oromo political prisoners.
Free all Ethiopian political prisoners.
Free all Oromo Ethiopian prisoners.
We demand justice.
We demand justice.
We stand with Command community. We stand with Tigray community.
We stand with Tigray community.
We stand with Sidama community.
We stand with Sidama community.
We stand with Walaita community.
We stand with Kolaita community.
We stand for all Oromo political prisoners.
We stand for all Oromo political prisoners. No justice,
No justice,
no peace.
no peace,
No justice,
no justice,
no peace.
no peace,
No justice,
no justice,
no peace.
no peace.
Ethiopian government,
Ethiopian government,
Ethiopian government
Ethiopian government
does not have,
does not have value
for the human rights.
for human rights,
For the human rights.
for human rights.
Ethiopian government
Ethiopian government
does not have
value
value for the humans.
for humans.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Nobel Peace Prize
Nobel Peace Prize
winner
winner
does not deserve
does not reverse
the peace winner.
the peace winner.
The peace winner.
The peace winner.
Abiy Ahmed must go.
Abiy Ahmed must go.
Abiy Ahmed must go.
Abiy Ahmed must go.
Ethiopian regime.
Ethiopia region.
Ethiopian regime
Ethiopia region.
is a shithole.
It's shut up.
Is a shithole.
It's a shut up.
Something like this. That's what we are here. We're gonna express our aggression. That's the only way they can Venezuelans watching. Okay? Trump said, we the citizens, we can say, we can exercise
Yeah, I can see.
our freedom of speech. This is God-given right for us. This is the First Amendment. Don't be shy, okay? Don't be shy, okay? You guys listening, right? Yeah, we just exercising our right. What we doing right now for our bodies is a crime. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be a crime. This is a justice. That's what we're looking for. That's what we need. We gotta let them know. We gotta let them know from now on, for every action they taking, it's gonna be reaction. For every action, it's gonna be reaction. It's gonna be reaction. We stand by Carlos. We stand by Carlos.
Justice for Hachalu!
Justice for Hachalu.
Justice for Hachalu!
Justice for Hachalu.
Abiy must go!
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go!
Abiy must go.
Justice for Hachalu!
Justice for Hachalu.
Justice for Hachalu!
Justice for Hachalu.
Free Jawar Muhammad!
Free Jawar Muhammad.
Free Jawar Muhammad!
Free Jawar Muhammad.
Ethiopian government is a killer!
Ethiopian government is a killer.
Ethiopian government is a terrorist!
Ethiopian government is a terrorist.
Abiy must go!
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go!
Abiy must go.
We need justice!
We need must go.
No justice.
No peace.
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 Religion does not divide us.
Religion does not define us.
Religion does not divide us.
Religion does not define us.
We are.
We are.
We are.
We are.
Oromos.
Oromos.
We are.
We are.
Oromos.
Oromos.
Justice.
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 Justice
For Oromos.
for Oromos.
Justice for General Sare.
Justice for General Sahare.
Justice for General Sare.
Justice for General Sahare.
Free Misha Jirri.
Free Michel Jerry.
Free Misha Jirri.
Free Michel Jerry.
Free Misha Jirri.
Free Michel Jerry.
Free Bakala Garba.
Free Bakale Garba.
Free Bakala Garba.
Free Bakale Garba.
Free Hamza Borana.
Free Hamza Borana.
Free Hamza Borana.
Free Hamza Borana.
Free Abdi Ragaza.
Free Abdi Ragasa.
Free Abdi Ragaza.
Free Abdi Ragasa.
Free Guyo Wario.
Free Guyo Wario.
Free Guyo Wario.
Free Guyo Wario.
Justice for Oromos.
Justice for Oromos.
Justice for Oromos.
Justice for Oromos.
Walunuchicha, Walurasi Kakris, Waluchuchanet and Distanci case and Egata. Distanci case and Egata, Amatukuba Durukanat, as to Haniwan City, a Damne, Tani Naka, Police, Walarasika. Namapamo, what you the Tani Biden case and Egata. Distanci by Eva Batisa, Walarasi Nagalakoma.
Free John Muhammad.
Free John Muhammad. Free Bakala Garba.
Free Oromia journalists.
Free all Oromo journalists.
Free Oromia journalists.
Free all Oromo journalists. Free Free Guyo Wario. Free Abdi Ragasa. Free all Oromo students. Free Kero. And now democracy in
Stop killing Oroma!